So you might be in a situation where for some reason iMessage just keeps on giving you a little pop-up that's telling you that the message is not delivered. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. If I go and try to go and send myself a message like this, you might see that the message will tell you that, there's been a message that's been failed, and it will tell you that the message has not been delivered. The number one reason why something like this ends up happening is because you either don't have any signal around you or you're not connected to Wi-Fi or data or anything like that. Number one, double check that you're not on a bad Wi-Fi connection or data connection by going inside of your settings and just go through and make sure your Wi-Fi connection's not off, your data connection's not off, but especially make sure you're not on airplane mode. This little option right here for airplane mode, you want to make sure this is not toggled on. You want to make sure you toggle that off because if you're trying to send out messages, that's going to be the reason why your iMessages are not sending. So turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on your Wi-Fi, turn off airplane mode, go back into your messages, try clicking on that message one more time, try clicking try again, and you will see that the message will now miraculously go ahead and be delivered. Now if that's still not working, what you can also try doing is to see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings like this, scroll down to your general settings right here, click into software update right there, and go ahead and try updating your iPhone this way. This can be another way to go and fix the problem, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. So those are just a couple of different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.